Few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later, many months later,
So much later that the old
few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, 2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later.